client gets there, my stencil is made. I'll take a light colored Sharpie and I'll remake the same marks where I want them to line up on his body. And then when I'm going to lay the stencil on the client, I'm actually just lining up the plus with the plus and the square with the square. I'm lining up those markers that I indicated on the body rather than worrying about where the bird sits and where the turtle sits, because I know if I line those markers up correctly that the tattoo is going to sit where I want it to. And that really allows me to cut my drawing time and my prep time down the day of the appointment by quite a bit. So I can get this stencil placed on his skin really quickly and really efficiently so that I'm tattooing and I can actually get some progress made. So it really helps you become an efficient tattooer if you learn to map the body accurately and learn how to stencil accurately. One final real advantage to this method is that I'm able to make the stencil in advance, because on my tracing, I have the actual measurements of his body, so I can make the stencil to scale before the client ever shows up, rather than having to wait on them to get there and test copies and test different sizes of stencils and get it to the right size and then stitch it all together.